Hey everybody, this is Real Estate Investor Sav. You've seen me in most of the Southern Ontario meetup groups. I'm there talking about Windsor most of the time, and whenever I tell people that I'm making, $1,000 plus cash flows in Windsor, they are like, "No way, that can be possible. What are you buying these homes for? What are you doing in these homes that are making so much money per month?" So I just wanted to put this video out there so I can share with you the profitability calculator of my properties, and you can see what we're doing over here and why the market is so good. So 3036 Church is the property at hand. You can look at that. You can look it up for photos and whatnot. We bought that for $356,000. I can tell you that was $20,000 more than the next highest bid. But when you look at these numbers, I'll take that any day, right? So it is a non-conforming duplex. We rent the top half for $2,100. It is a 5-bedroom, 2 full bath on top, and then a 2-bedroom, 1 full bath in the bottom, so that gets us another $1,100. So $3,200 a month, a really nice rent roll there. As I said, the purchase price is $356,000. We put 20% down. Obviously you have your land transfer tax, your legal fees and whatnot, and your total out of pocket, which gives us a first mortgage of $284 and change. The interest rate I got for this particular mortgage was 3.5%. I know different people have different, so you'll have to take that into consideration. But it gives me a mortgage payment of $1,278 per month. So we start off with a really nice rent roll, and then we take off the mortgage payment, we take off the property taxes, we take off the insurance, we take off maintenance. Now I conservatively put $100 a month in maintenance fees. That's $1,200 a year. That's always up for discussion. I know that different people put different things. I know some people don't budget for any maintenance, which I think is wrong. But I put $100 a month. I'll let you put what you need to do. Property management, I actually I manage this property myself. However, typically, you're looking at 8 to 10% property management fees of your gross rent. I can tell you for my Hamilton property, I have a property management company that handles it for me. I pay 8% to them, right? So I want my investors to know that even though I am managing this particular property, there is a cost associated with that. Vacancy is another hot topic of discussion. I try and put a month worth of rent for every 12-month period, which is 8% basically per month in a buffer, just so that when we have tenants change over or for whatever reason, and the property has to be vacant, I try to budget for a month there for the year. Okay. Oh, did I mention that this $3,200 per month is plus utilities? So that's why I don't have any other costs. I don't pay for the utilities. The tenants pay completely for the utilities, 75% to the upper unit and 25% to the down, just because of the split between the bedrooms and the sizes of families between the 2 units. So that makes perfect sense, right? So you subtract all your expenses, and I get a monthly cash flow of $880. Now, remember, I do the property management myself, so I can add another $256 to that. So I'm looking between $900 and $1,100 positive cash flow per month in Windsor. I'm not even talking about the mortgage pay down. I'm not even talking about the appreciation rate. A yearly cash flow of $10,000 plus sounds good to me. Who doesn't want that deal?